Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Couple quick clarifications. Number one, I am trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, I'll put a link down in the description area to a totally free 4-part series about what futures are, how they work. But just as a little bit of a bit of information that may get you interested, especially as a stock or options trader. If you are annoyed and struggling because of that pattern day trading rule is restricting you, in futures trading, there is zero pattern day trading rule. You can day trade as much as you want. Second, I am trading futures through a prop firm. What is a prop firm? How does a prop firm work? Which prop firm am I using? All that is up above on that link that you can see there, or if you want, I'll put the link down below in the description box. Make sure you use that link, as that will ensure you get the best current promotion, whatever it may be when you are watching this video. But in a nutshell, prop firms allow you to put very little of your money at risk, and then you have a whole lot of upside potential. So that's, like I said, my little summary version of it, but you can learn more at that link. So I will pause the screen recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential trade. And I'm going to go for a scalp here and out there for $300 in the blink of an eye. You might have to scroll back and see it again, but it was a very quick trade by design. Yes, I was chasing a little bit, but that's why I needed to be super aggressive in my profit taking. But it seemed like in my mind there was still enough downwards pressure for me to get out the scalp, but the scalp needed to have the asterisk next to it, and the asterisk next to it said extremely aggressive scalp. So there we go. Starting off with $300 micro scalp there. Maybe I take another one here as it bounces back up, but now it's getting a little choppy, and you got to be careful, especially when I was using the NQ. Can switch over to the MNQ. Put a stop above. Yeah, I'm just talking to myself right now. Hey, now that's way too well. Would have been okay to try to take another one, but that's all hindsight speaking now. All right, well, either way, good start. I'll pause. Let's see if I can find some more trades. All right, I'm going to try to get short at that red line. Stop is over the high of those candles. So let's see what this wants to do. Try to take off some profits down here if it does want to come down. And my stop is up here. Have a couple initial profit targets down at those green lines. And bummer. Oh, that fast back down, but I know I'm in the green right now, but I need it a little bit more in my favor. And now looking like, is it going to take me out? Yes, it is. All right, so $147 loss on that one. Again, I realized I was in the green for a little bit, but I needed a little bit more green for it to make sense. So it comes back down, but that's just how it goes sometimes. So still in the green. Okay, I'm in there again. To add some up around that area. There we go. Got a couple cells, or excuse me, covers. So those would be buy since I'm short. Come on. Okay, I got that one. Got that one. So now I'll just move up and stopped out there. So last one, I was just going to get my stop, or I did get my stop in place, but then it came up and bumped me out. So back, that whole losing one was wiped away, plus some. So very good on that. Again, the last 4 I let myself get stopped out on. So I had this come, just started to break down a little bit quicker and not, jumped up and bumped me out. Then yeah, I don't know how big that lot or how big that gain could have been, because I don't know how far down it could have dropped. But that's all kind of a moot point now because I did get stopped out. But the point being is I was positioned in a spot to potentially have a lot bigger gain, but like I said, I just got stopped out. And that happens sometimes, but sometimes you'll get the move in your favor, and that those those contracts that you let work for you turn out to be very, very profitable. All right. So and the lesson there, just cut losses, right? Was it fun to take that $147 loss? No, I mean, it wasn't the funnest thing in the world. But it's at the end of the world? No. So not the funnest thing in the world, but it's also not the end of the world, assuming you keep losses tight. So no, I'm never saying a loss should be fun, but the goal as a trader should be for it not to be the end of the world, not the end of the account. All right, I'll pause. All right, we have a breakdown through there. If it comes back down, okay, I'm in. Whoa. Wow, what just happened there? Yeah, I took myself out just because that was such a spike down. I didn't know if it was about to spike back up. Is that some sort of algorithm thing or what? But that was like I don't know what that was. That was let's see. I got in right around here, and then I got out down around there. That was like about a 30-point move in just the blink of an eye. Yeah, I'll confess that one freaked me out because that happened so fast. So I was just like, I'm getting out. That was a super huge move in my favor. 30 points, just like that, I'm out. Like, I'm not going to complain about a 30-point move like that, but like I said, maybe I should have kept my cool. But right now it's looking like and this is what I didn't know. Was this going to happen right away? Now, obviously, it didn't happen right away. It came down a little bit more. But with that move like that, was something about to just shoot straight up back against me? I didn't know. So like I said, but I panicked, but in a good, well, I don't know if it was a good way, but I panicked because that was a crazy move and I caught it on video. So I don't know. Feel free in the comment section if you think I should have kept my cool on that. That's fine. But yeah, that sounds so crazy to think 30 points in the blink of an eye. But yeah, I mean, I got in right around there, and then I got out down right around here. Yeah, about 80 down to 50. So 25-ish, 30-ish point move, blink of an eye. That was wild. But I'm taking it back to just cut the losses, right? Cut the losses. Just, maybe that'll be the title of this video. Just cut the loss. Why? Because think about this. Had I not cut that loss, that loss would have been, yeah, that would have been a rough one because I cut that loss somewhere right around here. And then it eventually went all the way up there. So that distance right there that would have been a much bigger loss, but I just cut it where I did. Again, are the losses fun? No, but did my account survive? Was I still alive? Was it the end of the world? It was not the end of the world. So I survived, and then I kept myself very reasonable, and I'm now well back into the green on those contracts. And you know what? It's not even $9.15, and I'm up over, $500. And that's kind of one of my mantras goes, $500 a day keeps the day job away. Now, again, that's just a way to, I'm not saying you have to go out there and make $500, but just it's kind of a mental saying, if you will, to help you appreciate the gains that you get. Because a lot of people might look at 500 like, well, geez, I saw so-and-so make 5,000. And for that person, fantastic. I'm happy for them. Good job. But really, you're going to complain about making 500, especially if it's within 15 minutes, which is what happened here. I mean, I don't think that's, I don't think that's a very reasonable position to take. So yeah, I am going to go in and just call it good. So up about 550. Before I go though, I do want to personally invite you to get signed up for this free live online webinar that I'm offering. So if you're interested in learning about more so how I'm using tools to build consistency and manage risk, then definitely get signed up for the free live class. If you're watching on YouTube, there's a link down below in the description area, or if you're watching right at my website, there's an area right down below or right on the webpage that will lead you to get signed up. But yeah, or you can just go to claytrader.com/live and learn about when exactly the next live class will be. So thanks for watching. As always, if you like these live trade videos, hit that like button. And if you're looking for a super free and easy way to support the channel, please hit that subscribe button. It really does help out. Take care. Thanks for watching.